Good morning, Paddington. Do you sleep well?
I keep having the strangest dream. Has anyone seen Mr. Hunter? I'd like to know if he's translated the bracelet.
Or perhaps made us some breakfast. It's after 10, Mary. Hello? Any chance of some coffee? Clearly states in the tariff that breakfast is served between 8:30 and 10:30.
Good morning, gentlemen.
Tariff, I think you should stick.
And madam.
If it had been a buffet.
Hello? Mr. Hunter? Gina?
Is it me or is it getting a bit choppy?
Marmalade! Shouldn't someone be driving? Gina? Mr. Hunter? Better make an announcement. There we go. Oh dear. Good morning. Please, could the Brown family pop up to the front of the boat for a slight emergency? Left a bit, right a bit. Oh, there are a lot of rocks.
Paddington, what on earth are you doing in there?
I appear to be driving the boat, Mrs. Brown.
But where's Gina?
She's not here. I don't think Mr. Hunter's here either.
Paddington, put it in reverse. Put the boat in reverse.
Good idea. Reverse. That'll do it. It's faster!
Get the life jacket!
Where's Paddington? Isn't he at the wheel?
No, I appear to be on the wheel. Clear the decks.
Where are the life jackets? Here!
Hang on, Paddington!